Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in today's video we're going to be discussing the question of what is that beeping sound in my E46 when I turn off the key and take it out of the ignition. What is that beeping sound that's going on? So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to turn it off and then I'm going to open my door and there should be a beep. So you're wondering, what is that beep? Okay, what is that beep? That beep is your headlights, guys. Okay, so what happens is when you forget to turn off your headlights and you open your door, then the car will let out a beeping sound to let you know and alert you that you have left your headlights on, guys. So, you know, you want to make sure that you turn this off, okay? Turn that off and make sure that you don't kill your battery in the meantime. So that is why you're getting that warning beeping sound. You will notice, right, if I were to turn it back on, turn my lights on, right, and then turn it off, and then take my key out, right, and then open my door, I no longer get the beeping sound. Okay, so make sure that you turn off this when you get out of the car, and that way you shouldn't get your beeping sound anymore. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, peace out.